In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your debit card number on the Wells Fargo app. If you've ever found yourself in a situation where you needed quick access to your debit card number, but your card isn't physically handy, this guide will take you step by step through finding that information within the app. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you have your mobile device and the Wells Fargo mobile app installed. To begin, open up the Wells Fargo mobile app. You'll want to sign on using either Face ID, Touch ID, or your username and password, depending on your device and your personal preferences. Logging in securely ensures that you're the only one accessing your personal banking information. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll be greeted with the home screen. On this screen, locate your checking account card. This is usually shown as an account tile displaying your checking balance. It may be labeled something like Checking XXX, or it might show a custom nickname you've chosen for your account. Go ahead and tap on that tile. It will lead you directly to your account details. On the account details screen, keep an eye out for the card section. Depending on your device, this option might appear as a prominent button below your account balance, or as a smaller card icon. Sometimes it might be part of a horizontal menu just above or below your main account information. It could also be labeled as Manage Card or Card Controls. Once you see the Card Controls or Manage Card option, tap to open the card settings page. Here, you'll access various features, from turning the card on and off to setting spending limits and merchant category blocks. Notably, this page also contains the card details area, which shows a small image of your card alongside the last 4 digits, typically presented like 1234. Now, while the full card number is usually not displayed in this space for security reasons, there's a solution if you need the card number for a secure online purchase or merchant request. Consider adding your card to a digital wallet like Apple Pay or Google Pay. These platforms generate virtual card numbers you can use safely without revealing your actual debit card number. Alternatively, if all else fails, reaching out to Wells Fargo's customer service is a safe bet for obtaining your card number securely. By following these steps, you can quickly and efficiently locate your card information right from the app, all while ensuring your banking details remain secure. Remember, accessing sensitive financial information should always be done with caution, and using the app's built-in security features helps keep your account safe. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to leave any questions or thoughts in the comments below.